Naglalamayan ka lang, chocolate. Ube.
Start the clock. Nice step. 16 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Aldrin, 15 seconds. June, no good. Red 30 is JB.
Red, 23.
Foul on JB, that's his.
Oh, that's JB. No, 23.
23, I'm so sorry.
Foul number 9.
Number 9, that's Papa P.
Tatlo si Dupit. Tatlo si Dupit, tatlo si Papa P.
Third personal on Papa P, third personal on Dupit, second team foul on Mission Care. Tatlo raw, sabi niya. First basket for Yok, not good.
Sino kailangan mo?
Rebel Powers for the rebound. He got fouled by number 16, June.
Number 16.
Yung last? Si Alan ang yung si Dupit nung pangalawa.
Okay na yan, Mel.
Tama yun, tama.
Foul si 16. Ilan na siya? Okay na yan.
Dalawa pa lang.
Second personal on June. First team foul on my PBL. 2 shots.
Tatlo committee rito eh.
Can you fix the net down? There you go. 2 shots for Hill. The score is 28-26. Mission Care. Dalawa. Basket. First basket by Hill. Good. 29-26. Tatlo.
Bago si Oo.
Huwag po tayong dadaan sa ilalim habang may nag-ano. Pangit. Hindi po magandang ano yan. Number 89. Ay nang gagawin yan ha. 30-26. Miss by Iger and rebound by Redwell. JP. Pass to Hill. No, strong. Rebounded by EJ. Yok. To Aldrin for 3. No. Rebound by Yok. Lays it up. No. Redwell controls the ball again. Steal. Iger for 3. Redwell controls the board again. Sayang. Hill. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Basketball. Shaking. I will lay so strong. Vince with a rebound. Vince to Redwell using the glass move. Rebound by Redwell. Almost a steal by Jim. Hey, good effort by Jim. Good effort. Let's give him an A for effort. 10-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. 6 minutes 20. Nope, no good. Rebound by Yok. Yok to Iger. Back to Yok. 15-second shot clock. Yes, what a layup by Yok. Score is 32-28, 4-point lead. Mission Care with 6 minutes remaining in the ball game. 15-second shot clock. He got fouled. WJ got fouled by number 1. Who's fouled? Oh, Iger.
Pangilan ni Iger. First pa lang.
Second.
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 Second personal Iger. Second team foul on YPBL. 2 shots for WJ.
28-32.
First basket, WJ. Pasok, 33-28, 5-point lead. Mission Care. Short. Aldrin rebounds it. Steal by WJ. 3 against 2. JP to WJ. Yes, he's in the glass. 35-28. 7-point lead by Mission Care. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Yup, 6 with a layup for 2. 35-30. 5-point lead with 4 minutes 30 remaining in the ball game. 15-second shot clock. Foul on number 1, Igril. That's third personal on Igril. Third team foul on YPBL. Baseline. Inbound. Hill, yes! One assist by WJ to Hill. 37-30. 4 minutes to go. Still a lot of basketball. 7-point lead. Mission Cares. 37-30. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. EJ, yeah! What a lucky bounce for EJ. What a good move. 37-32, 5-point lead. 3:30 remaining. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. He got fouled. JB got fouled by Igril, number
Igril, pangilan. Hey, pangilan ni Igril.
Apat.
fourth personnel. Fourth personnel.